Hello everyone and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are going to unbox and review the TOPTRO X9 Smart Projector, a powerful all-in-one projector designed to take your home entertainment, gaming and business presentations to the next level. This video is made in partnership with TOPTRO and this is a paid collaboration, and while I appreciate their support to my channel, this review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always, so feel free to stick around as we explore all the details about this incredible projector and all that it has to offer. With no further ado, let's get right to it. The packaging, as you can see, is very clean and well organized. Everything you need is neatly arranged and secure, and inside the box you will find the projector itself, a remote control, power cable, user manual, and all the necessary accessories, HDMI cable as well. It is simple and straightforward experience. In just a few minutes you are ready to go. Now, when it comes to installation, the TOPTRO X9 offers complete flexibility. You can mount it on the ceiling, set it on a desktop, use a tripod, or even wall mount it, whatever suits your setup. It also has seamless connectivity with a wide range of digital devices thanks to its HDMI, ARC, USB and advanced wireless options. Moving into the performance, this is where the X9 truly shines. It is the first smart projector to combine 1200 ANSI lumens brightness with a Netflix licensed built-in smart TV system and a visually striking exposed dual 18-watt speaker design. That is a combination you rarely see at this price point, and the Dolby diaphragm technology offers incredible sound clarity and deep bass, transforming your living room into a mini cinema. Whether you are watching movies, playing video games, or giving presentation, the sound is definitely immersive and powerful. And while playing games, this is definitely a great experience that I personally experienced while playing Call of Duty and Metal Slug and all other games. This is definitely an amazing projector for gaming and movies and everything in between. Visually, the projector boasts native 1080p resolution with precision glass lenses, delivering bright, crystal clear images with autofocus, keystone correction, obstacle avoidance, and auto screen alignment completely hassle-free. It adjusts itself automatically to give you the best possible viewing experience. The built-in Smart OS gives you direct access to officially licensed apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and over 1.2 million videos. So you don't need to connect any external devices, just plug it in and start watching right away. In terms of connectivity, the X9 supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, HDMI, ARC, and USB. You can stream content from your phone, tablet, or laptop in seconds, and it even doubles as a Bluetooth speaker when you are not using it as a projector. Its versatile mounting options, bright image quality, cinema grade, and smart interface make it the ultimate all-in-one projector. So whether you want a home theater, a mobile gaming display, or a reliable tool for business presentations. If you are interested in getting your own TOPTRO 9, I will leave a discount code and purchase link in the description so you can take advantage of everything that this amazing projector has to offer at a better price. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful and that it helps you decide whether the TOPTRO X9 Smart Projector is the right pick for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next one. Peace.